Are you looking to start a dropshipping business? Look no further. This guide will take you through the entire process from start to finish. Hey, it's Scott with SpringHillFox.com. Let's go. Firstly, conduct market research. Use tools like Google Trends to find in-demand products and take a look at what's trending on social media. Consider your interests and areas of expertise. This will help you to identify the right products to sell. Secondly, find reliable suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu can connect you with thousands of suppliers worldwide. Check their ratings and delivery times to ensure that you are working with a reputable supplier. Thirdly, set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make it easy to create a store, even if you have no technical experience. Customize your store's design to match your brand and make it visually appealing. Fourthly, add products to your store. Include high-quality images and detailed descriptions of each product. Ensure that you account for all costs and set pricing that allows for a good profit margin. Fifthly, handle the legal side of things. Register your business, get the necessary licenses, and set up your tax information. Consider speaking to a legal advisor to ensure that you have everything covered. Sixthly, market your store. Use social media ads, search engine optimization, and email marketing to attract customers. Engage with your audience regularly to build trust. Finally, manage orders and provide excellent customer service. Use software to keep track of orders and address customer inquiries and issues promptly to build a good reputation. In conclusion, starting a dropshipping business takes time and effort, but it can be a great way to earn money. Remember to find the right products, build a great store, and deliver excellent customer service. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and share Scott.